Hi, I'm Captain Patrick Crawford, and this is Jackass. But no, so today we're going to take our bees, we're going to take them out of their nooks, we're going to put them into the hives. And I've got my hive tool, my smoker, and my gloves. And I know this fancy bee suit that I've got on makes me look like a professional, but I'm not. Okay. Now, I want to get this first frame a little loosened up. Feel the wax, you can hear it when it came loose. And now, I want to lift it. Straight up, and it is heavy. So you want to put these, as you take them out, put them in the same way that you took them out. Okay. There's our second frame. Everybody is active, looking good. Okay. You can feel that wax. There we go. Look straight up. That's good. Straight back up. Alright, 2 more frames to go on the first box. And then we move to the next one. So, pull it up. Wow, they have been working on that one. There's our queen right there. She's marked with a white spot.
Is she on the right?
She's right here. Right.
I see her.
There she is. Cut. One more frame. All right. And we go. All right. Now, once you've done that, you're going to take your hive tool and move these all in to each other. You want them tight.
And split the difference on each side, right?
Go right on in with that last one that we took out when I started. Take the tool then. Little move over. Little move over. Come back in. Well, first, I know that sounds crazy, but take your box, try to give it a little shake. I know y'all didn't like that. Cut. Some a little smoke. Okay. Now I'll put my lid on. Now my next lid. Okay. I'll just leave this box open, leave it over here next to it, and anything that's left in it, which there isn't anything, going into that box. Now I'll work my way on down to my next hive and continue this process. It's all honey on that one. That was a whole damn honey. They got the peanut gallery over there sitting in a wheelbarrow.
I think you play with sharks. I'm sure you're not scared of a bumblebee. He's crossing the state.
They tell you in beekeepers class, this is your most important tool. They sell a little belt with a magnet on it. Now I know why. That way it would always be back on your hip. Well, there's some bee pollen in there. I can see little pieces of bee bread. Yep. There's our queen. Okay. Well, so far, to anyone that's scared of bees, that guy's stinging me. But I'll tell you this, you have nothing to be scared of. You got a bee suit, the proper equipment, the proper tools, and you went to a class to learn from someone, there is no reason to fear doing this. Be coming out anytime now. All of these hives should jump quick, especially with all the pollen, all the vegetables, the wildflowers that are planted all around the property. They've got plenty of, that's all honey. This whole plate. Daddy said he's out of here. He ain't watching this bee thing no more. Good. Now, a little bounce. One more to go. Relax. That looks good. Everybody getting mad at me.
They're all getting mad now.
Yep. So, that is how you remove your bees from your nuc into your cells, into your bee boxes. Sorry, I hear a lot of buzzing going around. Is there like something on my face? So, thanks for watching. We're back in a couple of weeks and we'll add another box on top of this, and then that'll be for our bees to store up honey to get them through the winter. So, part 3 comes in.